What's happening, sports fans? Welcome back to another episode with Mom and Papa Joe. On the menu today is a smoked lamb shoulder with saffron rice, an awesome Sunday dinner. This is what I'm talking about, folks. Smoked lamb shoulder. You're going to want to check this one out. Here, sports fans, we've got a beautiful lamb shoulder, bone in, weighs about 6.5 pounds. It's got several bones in it. We've got the rib bones, we've got the neck bones, and then we've got the leg bones. I'm going to remove the neck bones and the rib bones. I'm thinking I'm going to leave the blade bone and the leg bone in there. Some discoloration right here. I've got on my cut resistance gloves. All right, folks, we're going to call that good. I've removed all of the hard fat pieces. We're going to be putting this on the smoker for about an hour or so to get some smoke and some color. So we're just going to season it real quick. I'm just going to be throwing my simple beef rub on there, Grand Oaks. Black pepper, salt. After it comes off the smoker is when we're going to get into some serious seasonings. All right, we're going to clean up and head outside, get our grill set up. All right, folks, our fire is ready. This is cherry. My baskets aren't anywhere near full because I'm not expecting this to be a very long cook, maybe an hour, just to get a little smoke, a little color on this shoulder. I want to open it up some to really get the inside, a little color, a little smoke. I might be flipping in about 20 to 30 minutes. All right, let's start the seasoning mixture for this lamb shoulder. I've got in here about 4 tablespoons of ghee. You can use any oil you want. It's a lot of onions. 4 large onions, a little over 3 pounds. What looks like a lot right now really cooks down to nothing. But we'll give this a couple of 20 minutes. I just flipped over our shoulder out there. This is just a little salt, pepper. So I think we may have another 10-15 minutes. Right, this is a great color. I don't want to get this much further. I'm going to come in with maybe a teaspoon of chopped garlic. I'm turning off the stove, and I'm going to let this cool just a little bit. All right, we've given this about 10 minutes to cool down a little bit, and now we're going to get to seasoning. What I've got here is turmeric, paprika, black pepper, cumin, salt, a couple of bay leaves, some cardamom seeds, apple cider vinegar, and fresh squeezed lemon juice. I'm going to put all the amounts in the description, folks. In with apple cider, lemon juice, bay leaves, cardamom, everybody else. All right, we want to give this good mixing. I think our shoulder is ready to come off of there. Let's go grab that shoulder. This has been right about 45 minutes. And I flipped it about halfway through, opened it up. Man, that's beautiful. That's the color I was looking for. We're gonna take that onion mixture and get in all these nooks and crannies. In our pot, I want to put the majority on the bottom. In with our shoulder. This is a cup of chicken stock. I'm just gonna wash this out, just getting all this good stuff. I'm gonna do a little cleanup, a little parchment paper to really try to trap that steam. And our oven is preheated to 350 degrees. And in we go. Biggest thing here, folks, is to not let that run dry. So I'm going to be keeping an eye on it, looking, checking it maybe every hour. And so I'll add a little more chicken stock. Hour and a half. Let's take a look. There's plenty of liquid. I knew those onions would put out some liquid. That's going to be an awesome gravy. And that is why I didn't pour a whole lot of liquid in here. We're just going to let that continue cooking. And we'll come back in maybe another hour. Looking good. All right, we're about 2.5 hours into this lamb shoulder cook. And we're going to start the saffron rice. What I've got here is about 25 strands of saffron that I ground in my molcajete. This is some chicken stock. It's hot. I'm just gonna let this bloom for a few minutes. Then we're gonna head to the stove and get this rice started. I've got about 3 tablespoons of ghee in the pot heating up, in with about half of a medium yellow onion. And we just want to get this just a little color. And we can see things starting to brown just a little bit. Most of the onions are translucent. Come in with about 2 cloves, finely minced garlic. And we want to give this just maybe another 30 seconds. And then we're going to come in with 2 cups of rinsed basmati rice. We're going to toast this rice for another 3 or 4 minutes. Make sure that every single grain is coated with the garlic, onions, that ghee. We'll come in with our bloom saffron, and we want to give this a quick stir. Smells great already. Folks, at this point I'm coming here, a couple of bay leaves. This is some jalapeno slices, zest of a small lime, and just a pinch of kosher salt. And now we've got 3 cups of chicken stock. And we want to bring this to a boil. So it's going to take a few. And once we've come to a boil, I'm going to turn my stove to a low, and we're just going to cook this until all the water has been absorbed. Once all the water has been absorbed, we're going to move it off of the burner and just let it sit for 10-15 minutes. We're at 3 hours and 5 minutes, folks. This puppy is ready to come out of here. Yes, folks, this probes like butter. 210 in some areas, 208 in others. We're going to get this out of here. Our rice is ready. Let that cool for just a hair, and we'll put a platter together. Oh, look how fluffy that is. All right, let's get this thing going. Now we're gonna come back. Oh, my goodness. She is tender right over. Oh my goodness, she's tender. Here we are, sports fans. We've given it a few minutes to cool down, man. That rice is delicious. This meat just feels so tender. Folks, this is money. You can see that little ring from that smoke session. I want to get some of these onions. Oh my goodness. One more. Folks, I'm doing this just for you guys. All right, now I'm going out of my way. That lamb is so tender. That rice seasoned perfectly, man. Oh, what a great combination. Smoked lamb shoulder and saffron rice. Folks, it doesn't get any better. I want to thank you guys and gals, as usual, for hanging out with Mom and Papa Joe. We really appreciate it. Be on the lookout for another video coming very soon. Like always, Mom and I want you guys to take care of yourselves, love each other, and we'll see you when we see you. Holla!